Hey folks, Greg Roberts down here in INFINITI Melbourne. It's Monday afternoon. Just want to let you all know we have probably the best inventory we've had in a long time. We've got a great selection of QX80s, the all-new QX60, the all-new QX55, QX50s, and the Q50. Nice thing about it, we do not have a premium price markup over the MSRP. And if you own an INFINITI now, you qualify for up to $2,000 in owner loyalty. Another thing you have the best-in-class warranty. You have a 4-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, as well as a 6-year, 70,000-mile powertrain. And right now, we're going to throw in 3 years worth of factory-scheduled maintenance included at no additional charge. So if you've been thinking about a new vehicle, now's the time. Stop by today and check us out, or check us out online at infinitymelbourne.net. I'll see you here.